All right, this is chapter 1.7, page 52. And since I didn't get a chance to finish um, do number 11, the last segment, I'll do number 11, number 13 on this one. So let's start with number 11. It says use the given diameter d or radius r to find the circumference and area of the circle, and then round to the nearest tenth. Now, number 11, it gives you a diameter. So if you have your circle here, and that you know D is equal to 27. It asks you to find the circumference and area. So let's just start with area. A, so just use your formula. A is equal to pi r square. Well, I know that since the diameter is 27, then the radius got to be half of 27, which is 13.5. So I could do equals to pi. Pi is just a number. What I'm changing is the radius. So I know I'll just put, let's say, I'll put it in a different color. Red. The radius is 13.5 because it's half of the diameter. I'm going to put 13.5, just plug it into the formula, square equals to, now remember order operation, you're going to do 13.5 squared first, so 13.5 times 13.5, I get 182 point, you keep the pi, and I get 182.25 times 182.25. And you could leave it like this. Usually, if you leave it like this, they usually put the number first, so it'll be 182.25 pi. But if this is the exact form, now if they ask you to they don't want the pi here, then what you're gonna do is take 1.82 times 3.14 because that's what pi is. So this is your answer, or you could do 182.25 times 3.14 because that's what pi is. So let me do that times 3.14, and I get my answer to be equals to 572, and it asks you to round it to the nearest tenth. So all I need is just one decimal, and it will be point 0.3. Point 0.3. Make sure it's cm squared since it's area. So your answer is this or this. That's number 11. Now let's do number 13. So I have a circle, and here it gives you the radius. So I don't have the diameter. This I'm given the radius. So it's half a circle, 12.1. Well, just do the same thing. Plug it into the formula. Area A is equal to pi r square equals to pi, and then r is 12.1 square, and then work that out. So 12.1 times 12.1, I get 146.41. So this is 146.41 pi. That's the answer. Or you want to multiply that 146.41 times 3.14, and you'll get 4 or 459.7. And this is centimeters, well, too, so cm squared. So make sure that you have either this answer or this answer. Depends on what your teacher want.